Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss one of the traps that you may find in the sentence correction part of the verbal test of the GMAT. Subject and verb agreement. This is the first thing you should look for in a sentence. So whenever you see a noun or a sentence that starts with a noun, you should look for the verb of that noun. No matter what comes between the subject and the verb, because GMAT test makers intend to put a lot of things between the subject and the verb. He may start a sentence with a noun, then he may describe that noun. And that description may take like a line or maybe a line and a half, sometimes 2 lines. Then he gets the verb after that description. So you may get lost and you may forget that that noun that starts the sentence should have a verb, and you should look for that verb after that description. While hurricanes travel from east to west, the direction of the prevailing winds blowing in the tropics, then veer off. Where is the verb of the direction? He says the direction of blah blah blah, then he misses a verb for that noun, which is the direction. So that sentence is mistaken because it has no verb of the word direction. And let's see another example. Sales of cars to first-time buyers in the southern regions of the country. Then a comma, and they increase gradually. Where is the verb of the word sales? Sales here is the noun that starts the sentence, and it should have a main verb. This sentence misses that main verb. So accordingly, that sentence is mistaken. Let's see how we can fix that. Sales of cars to first-time buyers in the southern regions of the country have. So we have here sales, plural noun, and have, a plural verb that matches the noun sales. And here is the trick. Whatever comes after the word of should be eliminated, should be invisible in the sentence. So you don't see whatever comes after the word of till you meet the main verb. And the same thing happened in the previous example. It said the direction of blah blah blah. So whatever comes after of, I don't see it, and it is not necessary in the sentence. So I'm looking for the main verb of the word direction. Let's take a real GMAT question on this point. In this example, you have here rock samples. Then after the word samples, you have the word of. Then he distracts you after the word of till the main verb that comes at almost the end of the second line of the question. Then you will find 2 choices start with the word has, and 3 choices start with the word have. The subject is plural, rock samples. So you should eliminate A and B because they carry the word has, which is singular. So I have here C, D, and E. C should be eliminated because it ends with the verb is. The subject is still the rock samples, plural. So I can't say and is, I should say and are. So we have choice D and choice E left. Choice D is incorrect because it uses the word being. As my students know, the word being and to be should be avoided in choice answers because they make the sentence wordy. It means too long, and they are redundant. And the word redundant means they are not necessary in a sentence. And you can read the sentence without them. So they add unnecessary phrases or words to the sentence. And choice D carries the word being. Also, choice C carries the word to be. So both should be eliminated. So choice E is the correct answer. It starts with the verb have, which agrees with the plural noun rock samples, and it ends with the verb are, which also agrees with rock samples, and it avoids any redundancy or wordiness. Let's take another question. It says a combination of 6 more conventional measures. A combination is a singular noun. Whatever comes after of is not seen in the sentence till I meet the main verb. So the main verb should be singular. Accordingly, we eliminate C, D, and E because they start with were or have. Were and have are plural verbs and they do not match with the combination. So we have A and B left. Choice A is incorrect because it carries to be. And as we said, to be makes the sentence worthy and redundant, which means it is unnecessarily long. So the correct answer is B. And now I'll leave you with a harder question, and whenever you find the answer, post it in a comment. Have a good day.